this has, you said autofocus, and yeah, that's great. Is this oh, it's recording. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm on Dimma's channel.
How are you guys?
First of all, can I just say, the video you made a video about things, not things that need to die, but like certain makeup.
I hate like 5 makeup products.
Yes. And you said one about the eyebrows, and I was like,
oh, makeup do's and don'ts. That one.
Yes.
Okay. So
And then you were like, I don't know why people put concealer on top, and I was like, I put concealer on top. I was like, damn. Maybe I should do that.
See, that video upset so many people.
I felt personally attacked.
At the point I now started feeling bad, and I was like, maybe I should have actually looked closely into people in my life that did those kind of things.
Because a lot of people put concealer on top.
My sister was like, what's all this? You know, like, why didn't we have this conversation, or why did you go on YouTube and call us out like that?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for tuning in. So today I have Chizi. I have Chizi Duru here today.
My Igbo sister.
What we're going to do for you guys today is we're doing the 5-minute makeup challenge.
Yeah, so
it's gonna be a blind day. But I was gonna die on the line because I'm not prepared. We're gonna make this happen. So I've never done this before. It takes me about 10 minutes to do my eyebrows. We're gonna try to fit a full face
5 minutes.
into 5 minutes.
Her brushes are so clean, and it's making me like reevaluate my entire makeup life because I'm not.
They were like this just yesterday. Yeah, you've been traveling, and then who has the time to wash their beauty blender after every use?
Yeah.
Anybody got time for that?
Why am I nervous? Okay. Ready, set, go. Okay. Alright, so the first thing I'll be starting with are my brows. I've been using, why am I talking to this?
Oh my god. I'm priming my face, priming the entire thing now. This is gonna help with oil control.
So I have to do my brows before I prime. Because I feel like my face is too slippery if I put primer on first. Is that weird?
No, it's not. Oh god. I'm such a mess.
Oh no, I just did my eyebrows wrong. Okay. Concealer. NARS, very good, very thingy. This is Almond.
I just applied a little bit of powder just to help my brows stay on longer, and
shoots. This requires a lot of focus, so I can't speak.
Okay.
How you doing over there, Dimma?
I am failing. That's what's going on. Hold on. Okay. Basically, I am. My brows. This isn't going to work. I can feel it in my bones.
Does anybody have that one makeup brush that's just, it's gone through a lot in its lifetime, but it's handy and it works?
I have a couple of those actually.
I don't even know what brand this is. It's just, all I know is it's good.
This is so scary.
It just started your eyebrow. Oh, you were putting primer on.
Are you done with your brows?
No, I'm not. I don't know what I'm talking like.
The brow pencil that I'm using is by Colourpop, and this is the God.
What do we have?
Jesus Christ! Sorry. Okay, wait. That's it. I'm not doing no concealer. I'm sorry. Foundation, please. It's like 3 minutes.
Yep.
This is not going to work.
Damn, 2 minutes already flew by.
Oh god.
Okay, I'm done. No.
What are you doing? Your brows?
Yeah. Okay. Usually they don't take so. Okay, primer. Whew. Smashbox. Oh my god. Oh, that's too much. All right.
I'm gonna go back in to touch the brows. Okay, this makeup is just quite. I cannot even be bothered. I'm just trying to touch in on as much steps as I can. It's not going to be good anyway. Oh god.
Okay. Foundation. I like to use Revlon.
Where's your brows? You actually did do good. Did you use concealer?
Yeah.
God.
You didn't put concealer?
No! No, I cannot do this.
Dimma
This is
Umeh.
giving me serious anxiety.
By the way, I love Dimma's name. If you guys can't tell, I should probably use this mirror to look rather than the camera.
Oh my god, my brows are a mess. See, I think I'm just going to end up with just brows.
No, you can't give up.
No.
You are Igbo.
No.
Okay? We continue and we fight to the end.
Okay. Let's see.
Actually, I'm not gonna use this brush. Use this one because this does it faster. Yes! Yeah, baby, yeah.
I feel like I'm just too much of a perfectionist for any of
This is, didn't I say this would happen? Dimma's makeup be on 1,000, so there's no way she's gonna do this in 5. But me, I got this. Okay. Oh, I just rubbed off my eyebrows. Cool.
I feel like the alarm is gonna go off any. Look, I'm done. Where's my eyelashes?
What?
Excuse me.
What? No, you are
No.
No.
What am I supposed to do next?
I'm on concealer.
This is just a film, man.
Okay.
Where the hell is my concealer?
I don't want you guys to see my dirty beauty blender, but I guess that has to happen.
Wait, what concealer is this? I don't even care. I'm gonna use this. This is Chizi's own. What is
What?
this? This is a man's. Woo! I'm using Chizi's concealer. I don't know where mine is. I am so not prepared for any of this. Oh god. I put that concealer on the table. I swear I did.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Oh, oh my god. I'm actually quite far in the game. I never knew I could do makeup this fast. Should I contour?
You just powder contour, yes.
Just my, oh no, that's way too much. Wait.
Look, I'm not highlighting the rest of my face. I'm just going to set the highlights.
2 minutes.
Oh, it's still 2 minutes. Are you sure?
Oh, that's the time.
That's
it's
the
30
time.
seconds.
Oh,
Oh my god.
I tried.
Oh my god.
No lashes. Where's my mascara?
Oh my god, no lashes. Oh, ow, that was
Sorry.
Oh my god, 30 seconds? What am I gonna do? I'm done.
I'm done as well. This is
9 seconds.
No.
Lipstick. Oh my god.
Gloss.
Oh,
Gloss.
Where's my gloss? Oh, Fenty? No?
This is NYX lip gloss
Fenty gloss bomb?
in LG 110.
This was a number.
Oh god. This is just like this is.
I didn't even line my lips.
I didn't even use concealer underneath my brows. Like I was on my brows for like a while.
Wait, but what did you do? Because you look so much better now. What? Wait, let me turn this off. You actually look pretty good. But it's because she has flawless skin.
No,
so.
see, let me tell
People
you.
with good skin always try to say, oh yeah,
But your skin is really good, Chizi. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't have to do that.
No, I'm not joking. I'm honestly not joking. Okay, so basically this is it.
This is the full look.
Yeah.
We tried.
God in heaven knows that I tried.
We tried, Sha.
You know, like, I just feel like if I had started, like, if I brought out a concealer, because I feel like with the concealing and defining, I have to be so precise. There's no way in hell that I would even finish that alone in 5 minutes. Guys, this is good. I guess.
Honestly, for 5 minutes, we don't
this
look that bad.
is good. And you can actually leave the house like this. I
Yeah.
don't even know why I have this on my head. Let me take this off.
Everything flat and laid under it.
Okay, so.
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
with the blonde.
Yes. So extra.
That was in sync. What straightener is that?
It's from Tony and Guy.
Tony and Guy.
That was really intense.
That was really, like, my heart is kind of beating.
You know the truth here? If I had to go anywhere and someone tells me to get ready in 5 minutes,
minutes?
I'm not doing no makeup, I'm sorry.
I'm not going.
I'll put my glasses on and tie a headscarf.
True.
They should have set me like that. It's not possible.
No, I need to lose weight, like now. Oh my god. My cheeks are
Why
so
are you stressing like you should lose weight? Did you add weight recently?
No, oh my god, I've added so much weight. Since I graduated from college in May, I think I've gained about 20 pounds.
No.
Yeah.
You're fine. Like when I finished uni as well, I did gain weight. I don't even know how people survive college without, like, your shape is just perfect.
Yeah.
When I'm frustrated, I eat. No, I'm not joking. Like the heaviest I was like in recent times was during my masters, and because the only thing I found joy in at the end of every day was food. Like I literally ordered food and I'm dancing in front of the door, waiting for the food to come.
Dance, like,
yeah,
and then when you're eating it, you'll be dancing like
dancing as well because the food just genuinely made you happy. So it's just a matter of time. You're going to lose anything you want to lose.
Oh, I hope so.
You are going to, Chizi. But then you look bummed. I don't even know why you're stressing.
The fact that I'm here and we're here,
Yeah.
amazing. 2018 has to be bloody.
The bomb. It's gonna be a bloody year. All of us are gonna die on the line.
Die on the line!
Nobody's gonna spare it.
Never as bad as it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to go over to Chizi's channel to watch the video that we're about to film now. So we're going to do a get ready with me, and that video is going to be funny. I am sure now, because there's a lot of gisting that's going to be going on.
Maybe you can get some tea on the Niger vlogs that I've...
So you guys should please don't forget to check out her vlog. She's been vlogging every week since she came here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please go watch our get ready with me.
Yeah, so
we'll see you guys in our next videos.
bye.